Jakeno mar Gor Mahia FC Dolphina Odhiambo landa yanga ni obiro laro bedo jakom mar klab no yiero mabiro. Kotwak gi jofuambo mane odiochieng' achiel tok jakom Ambrose Rachier bende lando ni obiro nuoyo lwete kaka jakom. Dolphina wacho ni komiti mar yiero manolandi gi Rachier ok en go gadieri. Wacho ni IEBC kende manyalo tiyo e yiero no malong'o. Yiero mar Gor Mahia ochan tarik 13 dwe manyien e alap manyayo Indoors Arena.
I am very much abreast with the challenges in the football industry, and I am ready like you cannot believe it, to face the challenges. I will not run away from them, because leadership is about being at the forefront, showing direction and showing proper guidance. I would even prefer the sports registrar to give us a committee, because now you can imagine you're the candidate and at the same time you want to be the referee. How does that work? You get? These people should have been vetted. They should be vetted by the AGM. Now you see the AGM and the elections are on the same day.